For you, I hope all are you find it happy. Welcome back to High Heels collection. Today we are focusing only on boots, the most stylish, elegant and trending boots for women's in 2025. From Stiletto boots, leather boots, ankle boots, knee-high boots, or winter and fashion boots. This video will show you the latest designs, trending colors, and most have stylish for every occasion. Whether you are looking for boots for parties, office, casual wear, or winter fashion, this collection has it all. Let's dive in. Pointed toe stiletto boots. Pointed toe stiletto boots are perfect for a classy and elegant look. They elongate your legs and create a sophistication style statement. This year, popular colors include classic black, deep broadly camel, and metallic tones. These boots can be paired with dresses, skirts, or tight pants for a powerful fashion statement. Ankle stiletto boots. Ankle boots with high heels are versatile and trendy. They are ideal for casual, semi-formal, or formal looks. Designers are introducing mixed textures, soft suede, leather combinations, and metallic details. These boots add style and confidence to any outfit. Transparent, crystal detail boots. Crystal and transparent designs elements in boots are trending in 2025. They give a luxurious and premium feel, making them perfect for evening events and parties. Classic leather boots never go out of style. Soft premium leather enhance durability and elegance. Colors like black, brown, and tan dominate this year's fashion trends. Knee-high leather boots. Knee-high boots provide warmth and sophistication in winter. They pair perfectly with leggings, skinny jeans, and long coats. This season, designers are adding buckles, zippers, and lace details for a more fashionable look. Wide heel leather boots offer comfort without compromising on style, perfect for long wear and outdoor fashion. These boots are both practical and trendy. Gold or silver studs, chains, and metallic accents are trendy for 2025. These statement boots are ideal for parties, events, and glamorous looks. Winter four-lined boots. When four-lined boots are warm, cozy, and stylish, perfect for winter fashions. They combine comfort with elegance. Boots with suede, leather, patent combinations create a unique and modern look. Trends colors this year include emerald green, navy blue, wine red, and pearl white. Pointed toe, round toe boots. Pointed toes are classy and elegant. Wire-worn toes offer comfort and style depending on the outfit and occasions, both style and trending. Pair knee-high boots with lingers or dresses for a tall, elegant look. Use ankle boots with jeans or skirts for a casual yet stylish outfit. Metallic or embellished boots work best for evening parties or events. Leather boots are